Factoring polynomials. Example 1. Find the factors of the polynomial. First, multiply the constant term with the leading coefficient, which is 1 here. 6 times 1 is 6. Now find the factors of 6. So if we add the factors, it will be equal to the coefficient of x, since 3 times 2 is 6, which adds up to 5. Consider the factors 3 and 2. Now rewrite 5x as 3x plus 2x. Find the common factor x in the first two terms and 2 in last two terms. Now x plus 3 is common factor. The factors are x plus 2 and x plus 3. Example 2. Find the factors of the polynomial. The leading coefficient is minus here. Consider minus 1 as common factor and simplify the equation. Now find the factors of the equation. Minus 10 times 1 is minus 10. Now find the factors of minus 10. So if we add the factors, it will be equal to the coefficient of x, since minus 5 times 2 is minus 10, which adds up to minus 3. Consider the factors minus 5 and 2. Now rewrite minus 3x as minus 5x plus 2x. Find the common factor x in the first two terms and 2 in last two terms. Now x minus 5 is common factor. The factors are minus 1 times x plus 2 and x minus 5. Example 3. Find the factors. Multiply constant 10 with the leading coefficient 5, which is 50. Now the factors of 50 will be 10 times 5, which adds up to 15, the coefficient of x. Now rewrite 15x as 5x plus 10x. Find the common factors 5x in the first two terms and 10 in last two terms. Now x plus 1 and 5 are common factor. Simplify. And the factors are 5 times x plus 2 and x plus 1. Factoring polynomials by grouping. Example, find the factors. Of the polynomial, first find the common factors of the first two terms and the last two terms. The common factor is x squared for the first two terms and 4 for the last two terms. Again, x plus 2 is the common factor. The factors are x plus 2 times x squared plus 4. Thanks for watching.